In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to respond the emails through Brevo. Once you are logged into your Brevo account, you will be working from the main dashboard where your tools are listed along the left side. To begin, look at the left sidebar and click Conversations. This is the area where Brevo collects and organizes messages, so you can read and reply from one place. After you open Conversations, select Inbox. The Inbox view is where incoming email conversations appear in a list, usually ordered with the most recent activity near the top. Take a moment to scan the list so you can find the message you need. If there are multiple entries, focus on the subject line and the preview text to confirm you are selecting the correct thread. Next, click on an email in the list. When you open it, the conversation will load in the main reading panel. This gives you the full context of what the sender wrote, along with any earlier messages in the same thread. Before you reply, read the message carefully from start to finish. This helps you avoid missing key details such as dates, requests, or specific questions that need to be addressed. Now move to the text box where you can write your response. Click inside the text box and type your reply. Keep your message clear and professional. Use short paragraphs if you are covering more than one point, and be specific so the recipient understands what you are confirming or requesting. It also helps to reference the main topic of the email in your first line so your reply stays aligned with the conversation. Before sending, quickly review your text for accuracy, tone, and spelling. A brief final check can prevent misunderstandings and reduce follow-up messages. When you are satisfied with your response, click Send. After you send, the conversation thread should update to reflect your outgoing message, so you can see that your reply has been delivered through the system. That covers everything you need to know.